In today's video, I want to show you how to create a code coloring book since they are quite popular on Amazon right now. And good news is you can do the whole book with free softwares. At the end, I will also show you a website I just discovered recently that can help you create very unique and interesting patterns in just few seconds. If you haven't been here before, my name is Anna and I do videos on how to create, maintain, and grow your KDP business. As always, before we start, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you. Before we start, I want to first show you how good code coloring books are doing on Amazon KDP Marketplace, and the fact that you can potentially earn $9,000 per month or more in this niche. Let's search code coloring book on Amazon, and I'm gonna click on this one since it's very close to what we're going to create today. Something that has patterns on background and a code on top of that. You might realize this by now that my page is a bit different than yours, and you might ask yourself why you have these gray sections. Well, that's because I'm using an extension called DS Amazon Quick View, which will give me the bestsellers rank in main page. And believe me, when you're searching for a new niche, this is a really lifesaver feature. As you can see, this book has bestsellers rank of 371, has 112 pages, and the price is $6.99. Okay, let me write down all of this information on my notepad. And let's go to Amazon royalty calculator. So as you can see, the royalty for this book is $2 for each book. And now let's go to TCK Publishing. Based on BSR, total sales per month is 4,315 books per month. If I multiply that by 2, which was the royalty of this book, this means this book makes $8,630 per month, which I believe you agree is a very good number. Okay, let's get to the second part and actually create some interiors. Okay, let's go to Graphic Designer and first design our background. Since our pattern will expand from one edge to the other, we need to include bleed. And bleed would be 1.25, which should be added to top, button, and one edge of the page. So our page size would be 8.625 by 11.25 inches. To make sure we are creating a seamless pattern, we need a guide. So let's create a square as our guide. You can choose any other shape like rectangles or triangle as base of your pattern. Okay, to create my tie, I will start with a simple circle in the center. And I'm going to just add layers to it to create a design. Just remember your whole design should fit into your guide to create a seamless pattern at the end. Once you're finished with your design, you can make your guide invisible. And let's select all the layers and group them together with Ctrl and G. And then bring your tile to top left hand. And then hit Alt and Shift and duplicate your tile and snap it to the previous one like this. And then press Ctrl and D, and what you did will be repeated automatically. Once you filled your row, select all of your tiles and again hit Alt and Shift and duplicate the row and snap it on the top. And then hit Ctrl and D again to repeat. And your background is ready, as simple as that. So to complete your interior page, we need to add some codes on top. So I'm gonna go to Creative Fabrica and search for codes. and I'm gonna download this one. So open your folder and drag and drop your file on top of this background and make sure it is centered. Well, your interior is ready now. As you can see, the whole interior page took us less than 5 minutes to create. But if you're looking for something even quicker, there's of course a simpler way to create your background pattern. And I mean downloading the designs from Creative Fabrica. Let's go to Creative Fabrica again and find a proper design for our interior page. So I'm gonna search for a geometric pattern, and I will also check off the bundle here. So just keep in mind we are creating a coloring book, so we need a black and white pattern like this one. And again, don't forget to add the bleeds to your page size. Once you downloaded your pattern, as always, just drag and drop your pattern on your file and add the code on the top. I also want to show you a tool that I recently discovered. It's actually a paid app, but I was so excited with this app that I couldn't resist introducing it to you guys. You can create all sort of colored and black and white designs for your coloring book and your covers. And even as a second stream of passive income, you can sell all of your designs on Creative Fabrica and other stock websites. To get to this app, type in Repper or REPPER.app. And to see the features on top right hand, click on Start App, and let me show you how this works. On the left hand, you have an image that would be the source of your pattern. And if you move this thing here, you can create different type of patterns and different designs. You can also adjust the colors, make it black and white, make it vintage, and do all sort of things with it. At the end, click on export here on the top, or hit Ctrl and S, and then enter your page size here. And as you can see, you can change the unit to and hit save. This will export your pattern in your selected page size. So as you can see, creating code coloring books are simple and quick, and all you need is a couple of hours and some creativity. At the end, if you liked this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you all on next video, and bye bye.